Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Info Riders. In the last section, we have discussed the basics of the HTML. Now, in this video, we are discussing the different types of the tags. So let's get started. Now, open the Sublime Text Editor. We have learned how to create the files in the Sublime Text Editor in the last video. Now let us understand what are the heading tags present in the HTML. There are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. Now we will understand one by one. In the H1 tag, I will write welcome to YouTube. I will just copy it. I will paste it 6 times. I will just change the names H1 to H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. There are 6 tags to write the headings in the HTML. Now save this file and right click, copy the file path and go to the browser and paste the link. You can see the different headings. If H1 will give 32 pixel of the font size, the remaining fonts gives the least. These headings are used to give the main heading, subheading to your web browsers, etc. In this way, you can design the different headings to your content. Now, I will cut it and let's move for the paragraph tags. In the paragraph tag, P tag is used to write the paragraph within the browser. I will write welcome to YouTube channel. Info Riders. I will save it. I will go to the browser and refresh it. You can see welcome to YouTube channel Info Riders. You can paste it 10 number times and save it and go to the browser and just refresh it. You can see the paragraph appears in the browser. Now let us move to the next tag, that is the anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to give the links to the browser. Now I am using a tag and within that I am using href. Href is nothing but the hyperlink reference, where you will add the link. I will add the YouTube link of my channel. I will copy it and I will just paste it here and I will click here and I will close the anchor tag and I will save it and just move to the browser and I will refresh my web page. You can see click here appears. If you click this, it will redirect to my YouTube channel. You can see the page is reloading. It is redirect to my YouTube channel. Now let us move to another tag, that is the image tag. Before adding the image tag, you should have the image within the projects folder where you have created this file hello.html. I have already created nature.html, nature.jpg image. I will download it from the Chrome. Now I will tell how to add this image using the image tag. First of all, we have to write the image tag. Within that, src attribute is nothing but the source or the destination of the image. I have given the name as nature.jpg. This alt attribute is nothing but it is the name for the image. I will give it as nature. Now save this and go to the browser and just refresh it. You can see it appears in the browser. We can add the width and height to the image within this image tag only. I will give width as 100 pixel and height as 100 pixel, and I will just save and go to the browser and refresh it. You can see the image resized to 100 by 100 pixel. So in this tutorial we have learned what are different types of heading tags, paragraph tags, anchor tag, and how to add the images. Now if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section.